I'm going to make a catfish float out of a pool noodle, PVC pipe, end cap, some swivels. I've got some bolts to hold the swivels and a little bit of E6000. These pool noodles are about almost 4.5. You can make them whatever size you want. I'm making them about 2 inches thick. So I'll cut this and get back. I'm using this serrated knife. Cuts real good. Even. Cuts pretty slick. Next, we'll cut this PVC pipe. One inch. I got my mark cut right here, and we'll cut it off. You can use any kind of saw you want. About 2 inches. Next, I'm going to drill a hole right in here. This is what's going to hold your swivel. I'll show you here in a second. And by the way, that's a 5/32 drill bit. These are 1.5 inch little bolts. I'm going to put these swivels on here. Put it like that. At the end of that swivel. Put it through the hole. It'll hang down. And I got tightened up. Now I'm going to put it in the foam. And I had bought this end cap to put on this. Like that. I got some of this E6000. We'll glue them pieces together. You don't have to do this. You just use it like this, open in. But I figured it looked better. Plus I put it around with foam, it'll hold it together. I put a little bit of silicone on the bottom. Don't have to. Right there it is. Catfish float. Tie your line on here. However you want to rig it. There it is. I appreciate you watching. And I'm going to take this out this weekend and try it out. If I catch anything, I'll video it. I appreciate you watching.